Now here we start with second type of important tissue, connective tissue. First of all, we study its basic characters. It is most widely spread tissue in the body. It consists of variety of cells and fibers. Then cells and fibers are embedded in the intercellular substance called matrix. So matrix is important feature of connective tissue. It is highly vascular except cartilage. So vascular meaning having blood supply in the form of capillaries, except in case of cartilage where capillaries are absent. It is non-vascular. Which are main functions of connective tissue? Bind, support, provide strength to other body parts, other tissues and organs. It protects vital organs of body. For example, bone, it is a type of connective tissue. We know skull, we know thoracic cage, which protect brain, heart, lungs, which are important or vital organs of body. Then it acts as a packaging material, meaning it is responsible for filling empty spaces, empty areas, that is packaging material, and helps in healing process. Healing meaning recovery of wound or recovery of injured area is because of connective tissue. Now here you have to study types of connective tissue. Connective tissue is commonly represented as CT. So there are three basic types of connective tissues as connective tissue proper. Examples of connective tissue proper are areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Second one, supporting connective tissue or skeletal tissue, that is bone and cartilage. And third one, fluid connective tissue, blood and lymph. In 11th you have to study only 4, that is areolar, adipose, bone and cartilage. You have to study blood and lymph in 12th. So that is regarding what we called classification of connective tissue. Now connective tissue proper, here we have seen connective tissue proper belong to two types, areolar tissue and adipose tissue. So connective tissue proper is again of two types, as a loose connective tissue in case of areolar tissue and adipose tissue, and dense connective tissue. Examples are ligament and tendon. So is it clear? We have seen types of connective tissue, 3 types depending on their role as connective tissue proper, supporting and fluid. And connective tissue proper again belongs to 2 types, as a loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. Let's come to study connective tissue proper. Here we have seen connective tissue proper is of 2 types, loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. First of all, loose connective tissue. Here important feature is that matrix is semi-solid, partially solid, partially liquid, jelly-like, viscous, made up of gelatin. So that is important feature of matrix associated with loose connective tissue. In that you have to study first example, areolar connective tissue. I have given you simple diagram of areolar connective tissue. Come to observe it. So areolar connective tissue consists of important matrix. Embedded in this matrix are 2 types of fibers, as these are white fibers and yellow fibers. Beside these 2 types of fibers, there are present 4 types of cells: macrophages, fibroblasts, mast cell and fat cells, also known by term adipocyte. So here it is a very simple diagram. You have to draw this diagram in your notebook. Give labels as shown by me. Now what is meaning of this areolar? It is from basic term areola. Areola meaning air spaces or air packets. We have seen matrix consists of two types of fibers as white fibers and yellow fibers. Which are feature of these white fibers and yellow fiber? Again come to observe diagram. Here it is a white fiber. Observe shape, it is wavy, present in bundle, no any branch is there. And regarding color, white in color. On the other hand, yellow fibers, they are straight, branch and present as a single unit having which color? Yellow color. So these are basic differences between white fiber and yellow fiber. Here I have explained the same. White fibers are made up of protein collagen. What is name of protein? Collagen. These are present in bundles, white colored, unbranched and give tensile strength to the tissue. These are important features of which fibers? White fibers. While yellow fibers are made up of protein elastin, present as single unit. अरे हे काय केलं मी? As name indicate, they are yellow colored, branch and give elasticity to the tissue. Then study cells associated with tissue. They are of four types as fibroblasts. These are large flat cells with branching processes. Their function to produce two type of fiber and to produce polysaccharide that forms matrix of the tissue. So these are two important functions performed by fibroblasts: production of two type of fibers and production of polysaccharide responsible for formation of matrix. Then second type of cells are mast cell. These are oval in shape and secrete two important molecules which are blood proteins, heparin and histamine. Third one are macrophages. Macrophages are amoeboid cells. They function to perform phagocytosis. What is phagocytosis? Here it is a amoeboid irregularly shaped cell, phagocyte. When any foreign molecule come in contact with that cell, pseudopodia, they grow around that foreign body and engulf it. म्हणजे फॉरेन बॉडी काय होते? फॅगोसाइटचा एक भाग बनून जाते. देन आफ्टर एन्झाइम्स आर सिक्रेटेड अँड फॉरेन बॉडी इज digested. That is process of phagocytosis. Then fourth one, fat cells, also known by term adipocyte. Their important feature is that they have eccentric nucleus. Here it is a nucleus which is present away from center. So fat cells or adipocyte, they possess eccentric nucleus and cells are responsible for storage of fats. Then what is the location of areolar tissue? First one, under the skin. Second, between muscles and bones. Third one, around organs, blood vessels and peritoneum. So it gives protection to the respective regions or respective organs and function act as a packaging material. पॅकेजिंग करतं. जिथे जिथे स्पेसेस आहेत त्या ठिकाणी एरिओलर टिश्यू राहतो. हेल्प्स इन हिलिंग मिनिंग रिकव्हरी ऑफ इंजुरी झाली की ती भरून आणण्याचा रोल कोणाचा करतो आहे? एरिओलर टिश्यूचा. थर्ड वन, कनेक्ट डिफरंट ऑर्गन्स ऑर लेयर्स ऑफ टिश्यूज. सो दीज आर इम्पॉर्टंट रोल्स ऑफ what we call areolar tissues. Okay, with this we have finished first connective tissue, that is areolar tissue. Let us start with second type of connective tissue, adipose tissue. Here it is a simple diagram. It shows supportive matrix containing two types of fibers as white fiber and yellow fiber along with blood vessels. Then embedded in this matrix are present important fat cells or adipocyte, where center is occupied by fat globules. As a result, cytoplasm lies towards periphery, towards border along with nucleus. That's why nucleus is eccentric. Eccentric meaning away from nucleus. So it is a simple diagram of adipose tissue. Draw it in your notebook. Which are characters of adipose tissue? First one, it is a type of loose connective tissue. Just we have seen there are two examples of loose connective tissue. One is areolar and other is adipose. It consists of large number of fat cell or adipocyte. Adipocytes are rounded or polygonal in shape. Fats are stored in form of droplets or globules at center of cell. Due to this, nucleus gets shifted towards cell periphery. Matrix is less. Fibers and blood vessels are few in number. What is function of this adipose tissue? It is good insulator and acts as a shock absorber. Insulator meaning gives protection from what we call temperature, that low temperature, high temperature, body get protection from these temperature ranges. It is good source of energy and stores fats. Then location. It is found in sole and palm region around organs like kidney. So to avoid friction, that tissue is present in the region of sole and palm. Then there are two types of adipose tissues as white adipose tissue. It appear opaque due to presence of large number of adipocytes and commonly seen in adults. While second type of tissue is brown adipose tissue. It is a reddish brown in color due to presence of large number of blood vessels. It is commonly seen in infants. So here you can differentiate between white areolar tissue and brown areolar tissue. It is a part of activity for you differentiate between white and brown adipose tissues. That is regarding second type of connective tissue, areolar tissue. Is it clear? Second type of connective tissue, adipose tissue. Clear? Okay. So we have seen loose connective tissues. Let's study dense connective tissue. It is another type of connective tissue proper. In this tissue, fibers and fibroblasts are compactly arranged. So important feature, fibers and fibroblasts are compactly arranged. Dense connective tissues, they belong to two different types as dense regular connective tissue and dense irregular connective tissue. What is that dense regular connective tissue? Here, collagen fibers or white fibers are arranged in parallel manner. White fibers are present in parallel way. Example, tendons and ligaments. So what are these tendons? Tendon connect skeletal muscle to the bone. Skeletal muscle आणि bone यांना कनेक्ट करणारा पार्ट हा याला म्हणायचं टेंडॉन. Tendons contain bundles of white fiber. They give tensile strength to the tissue. White fiberचा रोल काय आहे? टू गिव्ह टेन्साईल स्ट्रेंथ. आणि त्यामुळे टेंडॉन कशाचे बनलेले आहेत? व्हाईट फायबरचे. दॅट्स वाय टेंडॉन गिव्ह टेन्साईल स्ट्रेंथ टू द टिश्यू. विच आर एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ दिस टेंडॉन्स? Achilles tendon and second one hamstring tendon. You have to remember names of that tendons, examples of tendons. Then second example of dense connective tissue, regular connective tissue, is a ligament. Ligaments are made up of yellow fibers or elastic fiber. As a result, ligaments are elastic. Ligament कसे आहेत? Elastic. They are present at joints. What is location of ligaments? They are present at joints. What is function? To prevent dislocation of bones. So bones, they remain in their position. They can't changes their position. Means bones, they are prevented by dislocation ड्यू टू प्रेझेन्स ऑफ लिगामेंट्स. लिगामेंट्स असल्यामुळे जी बोन्स आहे ती प्रॉपर पोझिशनलाच राहतात, त्यांचं डिसलोकेशन चेंज इन प्लेस होऊ शकत नाही. सेकंड टाईप ऑफ डेन्स टिश्यू इज डेन्स इरेग्युलर कनेक्टिव्ह टिश्यू. what are their feature? In this tissue, fibers and fibroblasts are not arranged in orderly manner. रेग्युलरमध्ये कसं आहे, फायबर आणि फायब्रोब्लास्ट आहेत हे रेग्युलर मॅनरमध्ये अरेंज आहेत. या ठिकाणी देर इज नो एनी ऑर्डर ऑफ अरेंजमेंट. इट इज फाउंड इन डर्मिस ऑफ स्किन. व्हॉट इज दॅट डर्मिस? लेअर प्रेझेंट इनसाइड ऑर इनर टू द स्किन. स्किनच्या खाली असलेली लेअर तिला म्हणायचं डर्मिस. या डर्मिसमध्ये कोणता टिश्यू असतो? डेन्स इरेग्युलर कनेक्टिव्ह टिश्यू. सो दॅट इज रिगार्डिंग डेन्स कनेक्टिव्ह टिश्यू. You have seen two examples of dense regular ligament tendon, and you have also seen dense irregular connective tissue. With this we have finished first type of tissue, that is of what we call areolar tissue, adipose tissue along with tendon and ligament. Okay.